Okay, so today we are going to unbox Motorola's Moto G Power from Costco. This is a budget phone. It's really cheap. So let's open it and see what's inside.
Fun fact, the Motorola logo looks like two pencils.
Okay, let's look around the box. It's include a Moto G Power charger, cable, guides, and SIM tools, which is useless. Okay, so let's open it.
Yeah. Good thing they did include the kind of thing to charge it.
The box.
It's right inside.
Get the phone.
Phone looks pretty good.
Triple camera.
Hard to see it when it's has something that's like burying it.
Got the plug and the USB-C cable, I bet.
And please don't attempt to try the QR code located down there.
And the SIM tools right in there.
Which, yeah, take it out.
All this manual and the tools right here.
Things you poke the SIM out.
And manual, safety, legal, regulatory. That's it.
Yeah.
That's everything in the box. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you
Very soonly. Bye.